Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to take a simple exercise and we are going to create a simple steel wheel rim in SolidWorks, and we will learn some basic features like revolve boss base, extruded boss base, cut boss base, extruded cut, how to create a split line, how to use lofted boss base, fillet and circular pattern. So let's see, this is a good example for the beginners. Let's start to create wheel rim in SolidWorks. So this is the section view. You will see the top view, the upper part. This is our main frame. So here see 0.3 inch, 0.5 inch is vertical length, this overall length 7.25. Then the center distance from outer ring is, or you can say radius, 9.5 inch. Okay. Then this center gap 0.75 and distance from upper to this edge 0.75. So this one we will revolve it. Then let's see. Then here one more circular face. See, this is 7.5 inch and this thickness you will see here 0.5. Now let's change unit inches. Right plane sketch and let me choose here line, construction line, and I'm going to create this line. Okay. Now here I'll activate dynamic mirror. I'll choose this line, start from here the line. This point to here, and connect up to here, exit. Now you'll see this seems better. (7.25 inches). Okay, let's do one more relations. Hold shift key, equal, (9.5 millimeter). This vertical length 0.25. 0.3 inch, and the distance between these two 0.75, and the distance from upper point to this point also 0.75. Now see, it took perfect shape. Go to feature, choose revolve boss base. Now here axis of revolution, I'll select this one. Now you will see the preview, how it's going to create. Keep angle 360 degree and condition blind. Say yes. Let's uncheck so that it looks. Now front plane, sketch circle 7.5 inch, extrude, and this is 0.5 inch. We need to extrude in this direction. So keep end condition blind, 0.5 inch, say yes. Now here the important thing, we have to create two profile. One profile is 3 by 1 inch. See, this is ellipse, and the location you will see, this is just 0.8 inch below this line, okay, at center. Then the second one is, we are going to create this shape, 2.25 distance from center, corner radius 0.4 and the angle 25. Then the guide curve, this is the guide curve, R8. So we will choose back surface, sketch, click convert entity, okay. I'll choose here line, go back to the point and see it's automatically going to convert into arc and connect somewhere here. Don't create any relation. Select these three lines, symmetric relation. Choose this point, tangent. Same here, tangent. Now let's define this distance. 25. The distance from here to here 2.2. 0.4 radius. See, drawing is fully defined. Trim entity, power trim, and just delete this outer ring. Now see. Now exit. Now at this plate's top plane, sketch. Okay, here we are going to create, because our main profile going to be this side. So that's fine. Connect here. Ellipse. Okay, let's define dimension. 3 inch, 1 inch, and the center distance is 0.8 inch. It's still not defined, so we need to define some constraint. Vertical, see, it's fully defined. Now we need to project this curve in this surface, so we have two options. Exit. We will use split line tool and keep projection, and I'll choose this face. Single direction. See, it's moving this direction. Make reverse. Say yes. Now look, the projection happened here, the right plane. Now we are going to create a path. Normal, sketch, 3-point arc. Now let's create like this. This radius 8 millimeter. Okay. Hold shift key and this pierce. That's the fine thing. Now again hold end point and select the upper edge of the things. Ellipse, pierce. Now see, drawing is fully defined. Exit. Go to feature, lofted boss base. Now here we need to define. Right click, selection manager, and here I'll choose this one. Say OK, because this is closed geometry. The second one I'll choose this one. Now you will see the preview how it's going to create. Say yes. That's it. Now there is 8 number of things. There is fillet also. 0.1 inch. I'll choose 1, 2, and okay. Now there are 8 number of spokes or this handle. Circular pattern. For circular pattern, just click temporary axis. Now direction. For direction, we will use this one. See, feature already this one selected. Fillet. Click lofted. 8 number of instances, 360 equal spacing. Say yes. Now look, let's hide. Sketch. Now here we need to create some hole. Now 3.2 is the pitch for this hole. This hole diameter 0.75. This is throughout hole. Then there is inside, there is one more hole 1.5 millimeter, and this depth here you will see 0.2. So let's make this 3.2. Insert, click for construction, say yes, again circular 0.75, click circular sketch pattern. Here keep 6 number of patterns, see, equal spacing, say yes, fully defined sketch, calculate, okay. Now extruded cut, and here keep end condition through all, or even though say next, okay, so that it will cut only up to this wall. Look, sketch. Now here we have 1.5 inch extruded cut, and the depth is only 0.2 inch. Say yes. So this is the simple tutorial for the beginners. Now keep this one appearance brushed. See, I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.